Good afternoon, everyone. 365 Ultimate here, and we will now talk about curriculum innovation. So, what is curriculum innovation? It is raising the quality for Filipino learning. So, year year by year, each education curriculum has have been changing from revised basic education curriculum K to 12 BEC or the Enhanced Basic Education Act that made that curriculum. K to 12 BEC, Basic Education Curriculum, which covers kindergarten grades 1 to 10 and senior high school. As for the 2002 Basic Education Curriculum, a restructuring change. According to DepEd Order 25, empowered learners and has the following core traits: makajos, godly, makatao, person, makakalikasan, in nature, makabayan, patriotic, integrated, seamless learning or spiral progression from the simplest concepts to more complex concepts. And the Matatag curriculum is a response to a learning crisis and is implemented in phases starting this year, to school year 2024 to 2025. And competency based education or mastery learning is one of these factors. And the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers ranges from pre-service education to in-service training to constitute good teacher quality through well-defined domains that provide measures of professional learning and competent practice. This has been 365 Ultimate. Thank you for listening.